Grandma! Okay. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie J, back at it again to make your day. And today, we're gonna be playing Vacation Home. Now, another game I found on itch.io. Not sure how long it is. If it's long, I'm gonna say maybe 25 minutes or less. I'm gonna throw another game in here for you guys. But right now, we're starting off with Vacation Home. It said it has sudden jump scares, loud noises, flashing lights, all the good stuff. So I'm hoping, we get a couple of good moments out of this video, out of this game. So let's get right into it. Oh my. Okay. Oh my God, the game just started. Yo, what are we in the UK? People can't drive in the UK. Hold on, make sure I'm recording. You guys saw that foolishness. The game just started, bro. Am I supposed to get out or something? 1 second, guys. All right, I'm back. Sorry. Should be it. My bad. I was under the impression we could just park it where we wanted. Why does every car in every game have the turning radius of a bus? Right, vacation home. Woo! Oh, flashbang out. Why does my light keep turning off though? No, this is not what you do. Now intruder comes in and he takes those. Where are you gonna go? Ooh, automatic lights? Yes, sir. All right. Real cozy in here. All right. Oh, this game is running really weird. I don't know if it's my computer or the game. I think it's the game. No, it's my computer. Ooh, that looks way better, doesn't it? Yeah, it's because my computer wasn't plugged in. My laptop. All right. Can I explore? What is that? How am I? What is? Oh. My light keeps. So, go to bed and sleep. We don't got no goddamn mattress. How am I supposed to sleep? You got nothing to say about that? Alright, that's where I came in from. Bro, how is this vacation home just not furnished? There's a bed up here. Alright. Y'all heard that. Get up! Are you inside of the house? Who is this? Right. The guy who rented you this place? I am, but someone's car is in front of the house. And he banged on me? I need to get out of this place. Alright. That's it. I love that. Love that energy. We need to get the hell out of here. Come on. Going straight for the. Oh, that's a bad door to go out of. Yeah. Come on. What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? Why would you leave your keys right there? Wait, somebody's in here? How the hell? Get the backup key, stay downstairs. Shoot, come on. What the hell do I look like going upstairs? Where the hell is it? Uh... Oh! He scared me before I even got jump scared. Yo! Why did he just run at me at Mach 53? Oh my god! Alright, I'm gonna give you guys the alternative ending. I'll catch you guys in like 5 minutes.
2 hours later.
I'm about to say, just so you guys know, now that we're back at this part, I checked everywhere in the house before I came down and went there. He was not in here, so I don't know if this guy can teleport or whatever, but we're about to see option 2. No!
2 hours later.
Alright, just got back here again because I clicked the wrong choice last time. Let's go. No! No! So you just lose no matter what. There's no winning. Oh my god, that was vacation hell, bro. Holy cow. This is why you don't stay in the middle of nowhere. Alright, next game. Finally got the next game. Took me a minute. I had to buy it, download it. Thought it was downloaded already. Alright. We're going to be playing Unstrange, also off itch.io. They have a bundle right now for $2. I will link it because I want the creator to get his credit. I want the creator to get his money just in case you guys want to play. But let's get right into it, man. Unstrange. All right. Doesn't look good, man. Somebody just got their throat slit. Somebody did. Wasn't me, though. And we are back. Brain fart. Don't know what I was going to say next. We're back, though. Sorry about that. Hey, why does it look like a grown man? Oh my god. I'm almost certain that's supposed to be a child. Maybe not. Benjamin Button's disease. Cadillac, man. All right. About to start moving? Oh, I didn't even notice. Why don't you guys say something? All right, honey. You're staying with Grandma for a few days. I know. I'll be fine. Be good. Listen to her. And don't wander off. This place is pretty isolated. Yeah. You're picking me up Sunday afternoon, right? Sunday afternoon. I promise. Call me if you need anything. All right. Now remember that, Mom. Shit, boy. All right. Let's see. Shift run, E interact, spacebar skip dialogue. Lego. Grandma, let me get some cookies, man. Grandma, your house is kind of trash. Nobody. We need to get you some landscapers, yo. Why does it look like nobody lives here? Granny? Granny? I'm here. Granny! Okay, maybe I'm at the wrong house. We've got the whole wide world to explore. Oh, we don't actually. Granny, open the goddamn door. What's wrong with you? Now it's time to have a snack. Meet you next time with. Oh, there we go. Granny! Open the damn door, you old hag! Try it again. Hey, what are you doing? You knew I was supposed to be here. Hey, Grandma. Oh, here you are, sweetheart. I've been waiting for you all day. Hi, Grandma. I'm glad to be here. Oh my god. Who is this guy pretending to be Timmy, bro? This is not a child. I forgot how big the house is. It does feel big, doesn't it? You were much smaller the last time you came. I can't believe how much you've grown. You're getting so tall. Yeah, Mom says the same thing. Now you gonna let me in or what? Come on in. Did you have a good trip? Yeah, it was fine. But sometimes long trips give me a headache. I'm okay now. What is all this yammering? You must be tired from the trip and carrying all your things. Why don't you go put your bag in your room and get comfortable? It's upstairs at the end of the hall, the room you used before. I don't know what accent to give her. I'm trying to figure this out. Hey, why is she walking like a G though? Oh my god. Alright. Alright. Man, let me tell y'all something. Ain't nothing like visiting Granny's house after a long time, man. I'm telling you something about it. I don't think there's any house. I don't think that there's any house that I can go to where I'll say like, yeah, like that is the most homey, cozy, comfy, relaxed state. Whenever you're at grandma's house, you are always gonna be the most relaxed that you'll ever be. All right, let's go see what Granny's doing. Oh my god, Granny, you need some help. Everything around and inside your house looks dirty and abandoned. Gotta get you some helpers, man. Granny, let me get some cookies, yo. Oh, what's this right here? Granny, why do you have a dungeon in your basement? And who's drinking down here? Is that you? Do you come down here to drink? Granny, what'd I tell you about that? Hello. Well, sweetheart, now you'll have to help me with something, okay? Yeah, we need to clean your damn house. With what, Grandma? I'll need your help with some boxes in the storage room. Could you take them down to the basement for me? Yeah, I got you. No problem. I'm strong, you know. While you do that, I'll make your favorite cookies and some warm milk. Hey, Granny, thanks for the cookie, man. Yes, sir. Let's see. How you got? All right, get. All right, whatever. Where them boxes at, yo? She's not even making the cookies. She lied. Nothing like helping Granny move boxes around and make a kid feel strong. I know it's not just me. Anytime she asks, Granny asks you to help move boxes, feeling like you the strongest nigga in the world. Done. I managed to carry everything. Now I want to see what Grandma made. Didn't she tell you she was making cookies, Timmy? Come on. What? You can spawn stuff in? Cookies look busters. She gave me a lot of milk too. Woo! It's already night. You can stay here watching TV for a bit. Your favorite show is starting now. I know how much you like it. Granny, why is the rest of the house in pitch black darkness? In a little while, you should go take a bath, okay? Sure thing. Okay, Grandma, I'll stay here and watch it. Granny, I don't trust you anymore. Well, first of all, why are you sitting so far from me? I'm going to the supermarket to buy a few things. When I come back, I'll make dinner. Oh, I almost forgot. The power might go out, but don't be scared. The basement has lights that work even without power. There's a switch down in the basement that turns the lights back on, okay? Okay, Grandma, but don't take too long. I want to keep watching TV with you. You already know this, but don't open the door for anyone, okay? Even if you don't believe it, there are a lot of bad people around this area. I don't want to scare you, sweetheart, but some people use voice changes to sound like family members. So you'll open the door for them. No matter what, don't open the door or talk to them, okay? I have my key, so if anything like that happens, just call me. Okay, Grandma, I get it. Goodbye, sweetheart. I love you. Can't move. Stuck watching the show. I've already seen this. Well, I guess I'll go take a bath now. Granny, why did you choose to go to the bathroom to the store at nighttime? We've been here all day. Oh my God. I don't... Got you guys. Y'all thought that was a real jump scare. Come on, bro. You know we do it having the views. Oh my God. Nah, that was bad, bro. Turn all these lights on. I suck at whistling, I know. Wait, why are we showering in the dark? Dun, 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 dun. It's shower time. Shower time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's shower time. I'll go put on the clothes I have in my backpack in the bin. Alright. Hope you didn't bring one pack of clothes. Wait, how long are we supposed to be here again? A weekend? It's the summer. Alright, I'm ready. I think I'll watch a bit of TV while I wait. Man, you don't got no PS3? I don't know what year we're in. One of the PlayStations had to be out, right? Nintendo? Something? The heck do us look like sitting here watching cartoons I already seen? I did used to do that. Watched a lot of SpongeBob, Tom and Jerry. Y'all already know the dealio. Why don't you let me zoom it in? Oh, Popeye! I used to love this show. Well, I don't know if I would say I loved the show. I just liked how strong it would get. And I used to think me eating spinach would do that for me. They shouldn't make shows like this because it really has kids thinking that. Yeah, I thought I heard something. Something fall? I think it came from the basement. Yeah, the thing about like cartoons, like thing about cartoons like that, right, is that you as a kid, it was just a box. I'll pick it up. You as a kid watching it, you think like, hey, if I eat spinach, I'm gonna get big and strong and be able to fight back these bullies that, keep calling me stupid or ugly or dumb, right? So that's what happened with me. Every time, I think you know what I'm feeling like they do that for parents. They say eat your big and strong. I think that's why they do it, man. That's what I'm feeling. Y'all want me to shut the hell up? Okay. What? Was I supposed to see something just now? Because I was not paying attention. I know I was looking at this. Here we go, Granny. We gonna have to get you a new generator too, something, whatever you call it. There's no way your power just gonna be going out. I'm scared too, Timmy. Need to turn the power back on. All right. We don't get a flashlight. Check the front door first. All right, nobody. Open the door, sweetheart. I've been hurt. I lost my keys. Please, please, you have to open the door. I'm in pain. Please, sweetheart. To turn it back on and call the police right now. Timmy is a smart kid. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's happening? Where am I? Yo, yo, yo. I'm not opening the door. Grandma told me not to open the door. Why are you still knocking? Hey. Actually, we gotta leave these open. Why is Granny flash stepping? Granny, nah, I need to get a replay on that. Granny, you stressing me out. Are you the one playing these tricks? Did you turn the power off? Were you actually at the door just now? Granny, I'm never staying with you again. Ever. They hurt me. They took advantage of me because I'm old and everything. Granny was hurt. I'm here, Grandma. It's okay. Who did this to you, Grandma? I'm sorry for not opening the door. It's just after what you told me. I'm so sorry for not opening the door. I just couldn't find my key. Do you want to rest? Do you want to go to bed? We don't have to eat today. It's okay, Grandma. I'm really sorry. Oh, this is sad. And I'm sorry for putting you through all this. Okay, Granny, maybe I will stay with you again. No, it's okay. It's alright. Go get some rest, okay? Granny! Oh my god. Come here. Who did this to you? Damn, they messed her up. Oh, who did that to Granny? They done beat the brakes off. It's not funny. Why did they beat the brakes off her? They could have just put her in a headlock or something and said, "Give me my keys," or give me your keys, give me something." Why are we beating the brakes off of her? Oh, I'm sorry, Granny. Then I didn't open the door for her. Oh my god, I feel like trash. I'm a trash grandson. Oh my god. Next time, bring me with you, Granny. First, I need to turn off all the lights. Okay. Granny, oh my god. She had blood all over her. She had blood all over her face. Who did that to Granny, man? Who did? I'm sorry for laughing. Oh, footsteps and doors slamming. She about to go get her get back. Oh shucks. Granny, get the damn shotgun. Me and you. You take the shotty, I'll take the. I don't think you should go in there. There's a pile of blood outside her door. Jiggle peek, jiggle peek. Where the hell is Granny at? Strange. Grandma isn't here. How would you know that if you didn't check her room and didn't even knock on it? Grandma caught some bodies last night. That's what I'm thinking. Damn, Granny, what you was doing to them? There's blood everywhere. Okay. Yep, she's the killer. Good morning, sweetheart. You're up early. Yeah, 'cause you're slamming doors and dragging bodies. Of course I am. I almost always wake up around this time. Mom says I need to sleep more. Anyway, you feeling better today? Does anything hurt? Thank you for worrying about me. I'm feeling great today. What were you doing in the basement? You shouldn't strain yourself. You can leave it to me. It's nothing. I was just finished organizing a few things. What I will ask you to do is sweep the floor a bit. I tracked mud all over the house because of the rain. I'll finish organizing things and then I'll cook you something really tasty, okay? The broom is in the storage room. Granny, I don't trust you. Can I help you organize things? Just don't push yourself too hard, alright, Granny? Come in. That's strange. It's closed. Is it not always closed? Granny, why are we locking the door, bro? What are you doing down there? Alright, it wants me to sweep up. I did not come over to your house to do freaking chores, Granny. Damn, Granny. Alright, I'm actually here and I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. I had to, back into a door just now and I took a piss too. I'm back. I'm here. Now let's put this broom away. If I had one wish. Wait, let me make sure Granny ain't in here, because she like to be doing that teleport stuff. I gotta confirm it. Oh, that's how they get you. Looks delicious, doesn't it, sweetheart? Granny, why are you looking at me like that? What's wrong with you? Yeah, it's just that you were gone all day. I got bored. You were in the basement the whole time. What were you even doing down there? I said it doesn't matter. I'm almost done anyway. If you want, we can watch TV together now, okay? Grandma, please tell me. I don't want you to strain yourself after what happened. I told you no. Just eat, okay? All right. Why is she just watching me? Granny, why are you not eating? What'd you put in the... What'd you put in the spaghetti? Get me off! Oh no, look at... Damn, Granny, I didn't know you eat like that. I didn't know you had it like that. It was really good, Grandma. Just like always. What'd you put, brown sugar? Thank you. We can watch some TV now if you want. No, Granny, I wanted to watch TV 6 hours ago, but you were in the basement. Of course, Grandma. Why is she saying that? Why does she walk like an OG? Oh, we're sitting a little bit closer now. Grandma, why are we watching TV in the dark? Is she looking? Oh, I need to. Can I come with you at least? Uh, no. I'm fixing something important down there, and I need some quiet time. Okay, Grandma, please don't take too long. All right, be back in a little while. Her voice changed because she's evil. She ain't no sweet old lady. Let me come follow you. Look how she's walking. Does she walk like a sweet old lady? No, she walks like a triple OG. Grandma's been down there all day. I don't know what she's doing. I think I'll go see what she's doing. Hey, I'm about to see what Grandma's doing. I'm about to see what she is doing. Granny, why did you eat my fries? What were you trying to do, you naughty child? I told you not to go downstairs. That's all I asked. Whoa, Granny, wait, hold on. Wait, you don't gotta get physical with me. Hang on, wait. All right, I'm sorry. Now you're going to bed, and you're going to think about what you did. Do you hear me? Granny, I I was just trying to help. Oh, she's about to grab me by my ear. I ain't going to bed, bitch. Sorry, that's Grandma. I ain't going to bed. I ain't going to bed, Haggy. I ain't following you. Going in the freaking basement. Oh, it's making me go to bed. Where did she just... Is she in my room? And I gotta turn off all the lights? Oh. God. Bro, tell me this is not, like, very suspicious. I feel like there's a door behind there. Granny gets real nasty when you talk about that basement, calling me a naughty child. I'm just trying to help. Alright, don't tell me to bring no boxes down there no more then. I ain't bringing nothing down there. I don't know what's going on with Granny. She's acting strange. I know. Has she always acted like this? I think I want to go back to Mom. Yeah, let's call her. Have her come get us. Wait a moment. What happened? Grandma didn't lock the basement this time. Maybe I can go and see what's down there. But I have to be quiet. Yeah, you know what time it is. Silento! Silento! Silento!
Oh my god.
Grandma! It's not funny. Who does it to you, Granny? Granny! It pretended to be me. It took all my skin. It it it, it happened the day I went out to buy things. Shit, it's coming. Hide behind the barrels. That explains why I was able to flash step. Where was that kid? I know he was here. I heard him. Tell me now. I won't tell you. I'm done anyway. Oh, so you want to die? Fine. I'll make it happen. Oh, Granny going out like a G! God! Since she didn't yell, I'll do the voice acting for her. There. You wanted it? Now you've got it, bitch. Granny is dead. I think I have to grab the knife. Ooh, Timmy ain't playing no games. Get off of me, you stupid old bitch! Get off! Timmy is a monster. Oh my. Hey, good. Timmy's that nigga, bro. Where are you going though, Timmy? They don't know. He just getting the hell up out of there. I respect it. Unstrange, everybody. Woo! Clap it up, man. Best $1 I've ever spent. Holy cow. Shout out to my guys, Fearscape, and everybody else that was a part of this project. This game was excellent. We love to see it. Queso. Oh, wait, where am I at? Oh, where's Stevie J? No thanks to me? I bet. I remember that. Wow, man. What a game. Well, that's it for that. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to show it the likes, the comments, and the subscribe. So, oh my god, the likes, the comments, and the subscribes. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed, like, comment, and subscribe. I know I'm yammering, whatever, but you guys already know. But until next time, peace. Wait, I feel like I had something else I wanted to tell you guys. Oh, Outlast is actually coming. I said that in the beginning. I'm saying it again. The only reason it hasn't came yet, well, that game's $15. No, all right, don't call me broke. I'm not broke. It's just, oh, come on. Let's wait till it goes on sale, okay? The game's 15 years old. I shouldn't be paying $15 for it. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Drive by in a 4x4, you be dead by 5. I can have you in the ground by 6. You must not know about me, cause a nigga like me walk around and you know keep the sticks. All of you baby ass niggas, you walking around.